How to fix notification ringtone on Facebook Messenger. Firstly, you have to install the Facebook Messenger app from your Android. Just you have to open that Messenger app. You can see this is the desktop of your Messenger. Now you have to click on the three lines which appear at the left top corner. There is an option of gear. Just you have to click on this gear option and scroll this bar. Click on the notifications and the sounds here. There is an option of ringtone. Before setting your ringtone notification, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. You have to click on this ringtone and select any of the ringtone which suits you and which you like to set it for your notification. You can see here different ringtones. Thank you so much. This procedure for both Android as well as for iPhone. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very, very good luck. Thanks.